DecoNetwork makes it easy for you to be able to categorize and subcategorize products so that your customer can easily navigate them on the front end of a website. So back within the admin products, on the left-hand side here, you see all of our categories. It's very easy to add a new category by clicking Add. And in this example, let's just add a new category, call it Specials. And then I can choose where I want it to be listed. So if I drag it up towards the top, I'll make it listed second. And then from here, if I click Add, I can add a subcategory. So maybe I'll do T-shirts. And now we have the category Specials with the subcategory T-shirts. In addition to categories, I can add a divider. So I'll do Add Divider, and we'll just call it Specials Below. Now, a divider is only internal. Your customers will never see these dividers on the site when they're navigating the products. So you can see I added the divider. If I edit the category itself, I can upload a different thumbnail image. I can give it a description. I can go into the meta tags and I can configure the meta page title, keywords, and description and choose if it can be indexed by search engines or not. It's a good idea to configure this if you're categorizing your products. It doesn't take you much time and it will help from an SEO and just searching on the website. Now, to assign a product to a category, there's two ways you can do it. You can do it in bulk or you can do it product by product. So I could come into advanced search and I could, if I'm on the category bestsellers t-shirts, you will see I only have these 12 options and I can select all 12 and I can apply the bulk action, modify categories, apply action. And from here, I can choose to remove the products out of a category and or assign them to a new category. So I'm not going to take them out of any current categories, and instead I'm going to add a category, and in this case we're going to do Specials T-shirts. I want it to be in both the category and the subcategory, and click Save. And now if I come into Specials, there it is. If I were to come into the front end of the site, I didn't initially have it as an option, but Specials will become an option to filter by over here because we have added the new category Specials. Now, if I go into an individual product, so I'm going to come into this PC 450 and I can change the category within the item as well. Now, normally you need to go into each product when you're just getting started and categorize it. There's not an easy way to just drag it around into the categories you want, and doing bulk updates to products to put them into a category, it works, but you don't have complete control. So if I come down here to categories, and maybe I want this to be in the special t-shirts but not Specials, or maybe I don't want it in Specials and I just want all of the other products we moved but this one, I can save, and now the product will not be in the Specials category or the special t-shirts subcategory. So you can see it's very easy to bulk update products into different categories or go into an individual product and update its category, which will determine, again, how the customer is going to be able to find it and navigate on the actual website. If you have any questions on categorizing products, simply come up to the very top, search our many great help articles, or click on the question mark and raise the support ticket with Client Services, who is there to answer questions whenever you have them or help you work through problems. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.